Did you know that when you sneeze, you're launching particles at over 100 miles per hour? It's your body's way of protecting you when irritants like dust or pollen enter your nose. Your brain triggers a full body reflex, forcing your muscles to expel those particles with lightning speed. But here's the shocking part. Sneezes can travel up to 26 feet. So, next time you sneeze, remember how far those tiny particles can go. Always cover your sneeze with a tissue or elbow. Want more surprising health facts? Hit that follow button for more.